that?
I'm eating food.
Where did you get that?
Food.
Daddy, this is breakable.
Food.
Dad?
Food.
Daddy.
That's not food.
But that's not food, Maya.
That's food.
Daddy. She took the box of small plate. Saucer. Oh, that will break, Maya. See? Give it to Lolo. Give it to Lolo. Call Lolo and give it back to him, please.
I got food.
That's a saucer.
And that's a fish. And that's a fish. Look at that fish. It's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Give it to Daddy.
What?
Give it to Lolo. That will break, Maya. See, Lolo's there. Thank you, Lola.
Hey, Cololo. Hey.
What are you doing? Oh, no, no. What are you eating? That's dirty. Maya. Stop it. Hey, where are you going? Come back here, Maya. No one is there. It's dark. Oh my God, it's very dark. Sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Hey, come back here. Maya. Oh my God, what's that?
No.
Did you hear something? Lolo left already. Where is he going?
No.
No, I think he's gonna clean the car. Right? Okay. What?
Hello?
No one is there. Oh my God, it's so scary. Okay, say bye-bye, monster. Bye, monster.
Bye,
See you later.
Bye. Bye.
How does a monster look like? I don't like to open the door. Hush. That's a shoe. Who's knocking at the door?
Yeah.
Hmm? Who's there? Who's there, Maya?
Bee.
Ah, okay. Why don't you sing? Oh.